Hello friends, Patrick here. Today we are checking out the EFM wireless charger, but it's a leather edition. Fancy pants leather wireless charging pad. I'm always interested in these guys because every time I've seen one of their products, they have been absolutely top notch. And this time it comes with a wall charger and it's an Australian plug. Oh my goodness, an Australian plug. How exciting. So this is QI certified. It is leading wireless standard. Well, it's probably the most popular one in fact, but it is 15 watts, so apparently it does fast charge. Qualcomm 3.0 quick charge, so the actual box at the bottom that you plug into the wall is actually capable of this, which is cool. And that is a pretty big thing, right? You get the stuff and it doesn't always come with an actual wall charger. In fact, when you buy a Samsung one, it does not come with a wall charger. So let's have a look. Let's open it up and see what we've got. Let's see the quality of this leather charger. It looks really nice from the outside, actually. Looks kind of cool. This is plastic, so I'll get inside and we'll see what we've got. Now, review-wise, there's not much we can talk about except the speed of charging, but I do like doing these unboxing videos because it kind of shows you what you get in a box, and just in case you're obviously wondering if it actually is the quality they say. Wow! Look how thin that is! What the hell? Where is the cooling? Holy wow! And that leather, oh, wow, okay, this looks incredible. It's very heavy. It feels like a discus, you know. It is very, very heavy, but wow, that screams quality. And that little trim around the edge there, that's lovely. Wow. Oh, guys, hold the phones. It's USB-C. This is incredible. I am actually surprised. I mean, I was gonna say, I was thinking it's gonna be a pretty standard type of product, and I didn't read anything about it because I like to get in and see what the first impression is. But this is incredible. Obviously, I think they went for this not only because it's the next best standard, but maybe because of the actual level of charge that it has to transfer over the cable. Maybe that's why they did it. But wow. This is incredibly thin. So this can go either way. It is USB-C. As you can see, it is now plugged in, and again, it's still very thin. Obviously, the cable has to lie on the table, but that should be no problem at all. Let's have a look at this product right here. This part of it is just a plastic thing here. It is pretty large. It's heavier. It doesn't feel like cheap Chinese knockoffs, that's for sure. It's got EFM on the top. It's shiny plastic, and it's got grips on the side, so when you pull it out, that's actually small for a charger. Doesn't have ground, probably doesn't need it. I'm not an electrician, but I've seen some with, and we just plug that in. Wow, this is so premium. Can't believe it. I'm thoroughly impressed. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I might actually, what I might do is I'll do a short video on probably one of my socials, maybe Twitter or Instagram, just to share my thoughts after using this. But from the get-go, this is really, really nice. I put the link below where you can get this, obviously, if you're interested and you're looking for a new charger. But the best thing about this is how thin it is. So when it sits on your desk, it doesn't seem like an overly weird thing on your desk. It looks quite stylish, but that leather, man, that feels really nice. I wonder if it's real leather. That's the question, but man, that's impressive. I wonder if it's gonna go overheating at all. That's another question I might have. So guys, thank you very much for watching this quick unboxing of the EFM wireless leather charger. It is extremely premium. I'm not sure about the price, but I'll link below. You guys make up your mind. But first of all, this feels incredible. Thank you for watching, like, subscribe, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you guys in another one. Bye!